Do you have trouble waking up in the morning, or do you feel exhausted and foggy even after 8 hours of sleep? It may be due to an issue with your brain's cleaning system or the lymphatic system. During sleep, brain flushes out waste proteins, including those linked to Alzheimer's disease. But here is what is important. This cleaning cycle is most efficient during a specific 4-hour window, and if you're awake during this window, then the cleansing does not happen. Hi all, I'm Dr. Neha Garg. I work night shifts at a hospital, which means that I have to flip my sleep cycle completely from days to nights and back on a regular basis. So today I'll share 7 night habits that work with your body's natural repair window, making you feel more refreshed, including one unusual Ayurvedic hack that involves your belly button. Tip number 1 is the 10 p.m. brain detox rule. In Ayurveda, the 4-hour window between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. is considered the Pitta time, body's deep repair phase when liver detoxification, cellular restoration, and hormonal reset occurs. During sleep, the cerebrospinal fluid flushes out waste proteins, including the beta amyloid, which is directly linked to Alzheimer's disease. Modern neurosciences have independently discovered the lymphatic system, a specific cleansing network in the brain. This cleansing process peaks between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. So the one rule that is essential is that you go to bed before 10 p.m., not winding down, not on your phone, but asleep in your bed. Tip number 2 is that you go to bed with a partially empty stomach. This is an often overlooked sleep habit. When your stomach is full at bedtime, your body spends the night digesting instead of repairing. That's why you wake up feeling heavy and foggy even after 8 hours of sleep. If you go to bed slightly hungry, the body enters deep restorative sleep phase much faster. So keep your dinner light. Try to finish eating before 7:30 p.m. But life happens and dinner can end up being heavier than planned. So that brings up the next tip. Tip number 3, take a short walk if your dinner was heavy. A 15 to 20 minute short stroll after a heavy meal is one of the simplest resets available. It stimulates digestion, reduces bloating, and helps your body transition into deep sleep more efficiently. Tip number 4 is that you eat a fiber-rich dinner. A dinner with plenty of greens and vegetables gets your digestive system moving naturally. That natural internal signal, the urge to have a bowel movement, is one of your body's most reliable early morning wake-up cues. Tip number 5 is keep your body warm. Ayurveda teaches that the Vata energy rises at night, making the extremities cold, which can then disrupt deep sleep. So keep your body warm, especially your thighs and your legs. Light cotton socks before bedtime can make a big difference. Now, the unusual trick that I mentioned at the start. Before bedtime, apply a few drops of castor oil or sesame oil around the belly button and then gently massage in the clockwise direction for about 30 seconds till it is absorbed. This may sound like an unusual method, but the vagus nerve connects your gut directly to your brain's relaxation centers. In Ayurvedic medicine, this balances the apana vayu, the downward moving energy that governs grounding, relaxation, and elimination. When it is balanced, the nervous system settles and sleep becomes deeper. Tip number 6, avoid intense evening workouts. Most people assume that a hard late night workout helps them sleep better, but the opposite is actually true. Intense exercise during late evening releases adrenaline and cortisol, so the nervous system stays activated even after you finish, making it harder to fall into deep sleep. Tip number 7, cut stimulants and screens before your bedtime. Coffee, tea, alcohol, dark chocolate after 6 p.m. will remain active in your system at bedtime. And phones, it is not just about the blue light. The content itself keeps the mind in a reactive problem-solving mode. 30 minutes before your bedtime, screen away, lights dimmed, and slow breathing. Let your nervous system do what it is trying to do. Finally, coming to the big payoff, you get to experience the magic of Brahma Muhurta. When you implement these 7 easy habits, you don't just wake up early naturally, but you prepare your body to unlock the magic of Brahma Muhurta, the time of creation between 3:30 a.m. and 5 a.m. During this window, the mind is calm, the air is fresh, and the nervous system is peaceful. People who wake up consistently during this window, they report better clarity, better focus, and a sense of ease that carries throughout the day. You can't access it just by setting an early alarm or snoozing. You have to prepare your body the day and the night before. Your body already knows how to repair itself. It knows how to clean your brain and how to restore your hormones. It just needs you to stop getting in the way. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and forward it to a friend on WhatsApp, somebody who complained about being tired this week. Till next time, stay balanced, stay energetic, and wake up feeling refreshed.